social media for a while. You guys know that I love thrift stores, Facebook Marketplace, and back in the day it was Craigslist, not so much anymore. But people ask me all the time, how do you find things on Facebook Marketplace? I can never find anything good. Well, I am here to tell you that there is good stuff on Facebook Marketplace. No matter where you live, you just have to figure out how to search, right? If you look around me, I'm sitting on something I got from Facebook Marketplace, the table in front of me, all the chairs around me, almost everything that is in this area is from Facebook Marketplace. There's a few things for you to keep in mind. Before you even start searching, I want you to write a list of the things that you're looking for, because that's super important. If you're going through and just blanket looking and scrolling through Marketplace at what the algorithm is trying to show you, it may not be what you want, right? So you need to make sure that you're writing a list and looking for specific items that you're looking for your home. For example, this coffee table in front of me, I was looking for a coffee table with burl, and this came up, right? So you can look up square, wood, coffee table. Like, be pretty specific, maybe not super specific to the actual brand name or something like that, but shape, size, color, texture, that type thing is super important, because those are the descriptors that people will use in their listing to try to get you on to buying that item. Most people don't know the brands of things, and so they want to make sure that they're just using all the descriptors that will hit the algorithm. Once you start finding things, they may not be the price range that you're looking for. Let's say I'd found this sofa and it was $1,000. I'm not going to pay $1,000 for the sofa, right? But I want to save that item anyway, because the algorithm will start to show me this exact same sofa at all price ranges. And then you'll find one that comes into your price range, and then you kind of snap and buy it. Okay, so you make your list, be specific in your searches, you save, but here's the main thing of all of it, guys. I want you to be super honest before you even start looking about how much of a DIYer you really are. How finished does something really need to be? What price range can you really afford for each of these items? Because ultimately, you might think you're a DIYer and you might think that it's something that you can fix, but if it's gonna cost you the amount of time or the amount of money that it would have cost you to go and get something new, then it may not be worth it for you, right? So just be super honest with yourself about the price that you're able to pay for an item, and also how much work you're willing to put into it. Now, you can see around me, like, this stuff is a little mismatched at this point. We're gonna evolve, and we're gonna get to the point where it's all gonna be put together into the space. You guys can't see it. Nate will take some B-roll of it, but there's a chair across from me. It's a rocker swivel chair, and I don't like the fabric on it. I'm gonna end up doing a total new slip cover for it, but I like this shape. So if you are just generally searching on Facebook Marketplace, if you're not searching for something specific, that algorithm starts to kind of give you some things that you want, you'll scroll through, and so how do you look for the things that you can purchase? They're a good price range, but do they look good, right? You want to start looking for the features too that you're interested in, and maybe it'll work for your home. For example, sometimes I'm not looking for something super specific. Sometimes I'm looking for something a little more generic, like chairs for my outdoor space. And maybe I don't necessarily want them to be outdoor chairs per se. These slip cover chairs are not outdoor chairs, they're actually indoor chairs. But I knew I wanted a really great price point because I had planned to do something with them, maybe slip cover them. So you start to look for things that will work for your space and kind of design around those items, because they're inexpensive. So all in all, you know, this whole space, furniture included and everything, has cost me less than $500 probably for everything. But now I'm gonna have to DIY, sand some things down, paint some things, style them. So you get the idea. It's always this constant balance between pricing and your capabilities as a homeowner or a renter, or however you're living in your space. So keep all those tips in mind. That's just a few things, of course, that I keep in mind whenever I'm shopping. If you guys have any questions, be sure to comment below, ask. There's a ton more that we can get into with Facebook Marketplace and other thrift store shopping that we didn't cover today in this particular video, but like the lighting video that we did, I wanna make sure you guys are asking questions, and then we'll make more videos as you guys come up with them.